semi, hit the pump. Right, now lengthen it out. Long now. Pump's working well. Keep it long, keep it strong, you're rowing them down already. Lay back and legs, that's it. One for the bow. Dig it in hard. That's it, through the gate cans. Keep it going. Just get some rhythm. Breathing. That's it, take it out on the rhythm and breathing. Heads up, lay back. Heads up, lay back. Another one for the bow, up and over. Drive it out with those legs, that's it. Drive. Drive. Go hard again. Keep it on. Keep it on. It's going to be 4 around the can. Another one for the bow, up and over. Drive it out, come on. Now right up into the teeth of it. Pump it in now, we've got a flat spot. Come on, drop, lift again. 2, lift again. 3, flat spot coming up. 4, that's it. You're pegging them back. 5, drive it out. Drive it out. Good work. Hard again, good. Oh shit, work. Keep driving it out. Keep it on hard now. We're almost there. Hard now. One for the bow, here we go. Up and over. Drive. Drive now. Give me a few hard ones now, guys, and we're rounding home. Come on. Now, dig them in hard. Dig them in hard. Shitty water. It's going to be a sharp turn, then up on 5. Up on 5. Take one more. And turn. 1, 2, 3. Keep bringing it out. 4. Up together now. 5. Hard. 6. 7. Drive it out hard now. Come on. Gonna run it home. Run it on home. Long and strong. Long. Use those legs. Reach for it, lay back and leg drive. Get that pause. And drive with a swell. Here we go. Come on, lift. Now. Again. Stay with it. Again. Again. Drive it home. Drive. Drive. Go hard. Now. Keep it on. Keep it on. That's good. Keep it on hard. That's it. Keep it on like this. That's it. Run it on home. Almost to the gate cans. Here we go. On this. Now. That's it. Now hard. Run home with it. Run home with it. Pull us over. Pull us over. Come on. Next one now. Here we go, come on. Pull up. Hard, come on. Pull. 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 Keep rowing. Pull across. That's all right. Okay, that's seaside, ocean side.